Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is take out these trim panels, and yeah, you want to use a plastic removal tool wherever the fuck I put that. Right over here. You want to use that to get those out. It's not that hard. Just use a piece of paper to, like, you know, prevent the back from scratching or anything like that. It shouldn't anyway because it's a plastic tool, but you just want to be safe. Before you do anything, just make sure you disconnect the negative terminal on the battery so that any of the electrical circuits don't, like, short out or anything. And then all you're gonna need to get this out is a 10mm socket, and it helps if you've got a screwdriver. I literally don't have any 10mm sockets for like a wrench, so this is all I can use, so it kind of worked out. Don't know how I had that kind of luck. I never ever do, so that's cool. But yeah, there's a screw there, there, and there. And then I think you can just pull it out. I'll update you there. All right, damn it. You can do it. Okay, it kind of just fell out. And now, yeah, after that, you just pull the radio out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand and try to film it, so I will cut when it's out. So what you're gonna wanna do is disconnect all these and then just pull it out. Okay, so now that they're all plugged out, you can just take this and put it in your back seat, you know, let the people in the back have their own stereo. For all the people you're gonna be carrying in your 86, BRZ, FRS, you know, just leave them some room in the back. They'll have their own radio now. They'll be fine. To the new radio, I got a Sony XAV-AX5000. Is my thumb bleeding? No, okay, we're good. It comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have an iPhone, so we're gonna test that out. I'll have to get my camera from upstairs because I'm currently using my phone to record, but now we just kind of have to set this up to get ready to install into the FRS. It's into any like really Toyota car or Scion or Lexus. You need to have one of these kits because Toyota uses a weird sizing for their head units, so these little bezels will help keep it in place. The instructions, and apparently those in the back do not get to keep this radio, at least exactly how it is. We do need to take some pieces off of it. Jesus Christ. Using one hand is hard. Okay. Yes, we'd need to take off these screws here, if I'm not mistaken, and reuse them on this new hardware right there. So yeah, you just have to take these off. God damn it. It's a lot easier to do with two hands, but I'm trying to get a video of it so you guys can understand what you have to do. You have to take that off. And there's the 4 mounting things in this, and there are conveniently 4 holes right there, so we'll plug those in on that side right in there. Okay, and now after you put these brackets on right there, it's time to, what did I just close in on my jacket? Okay, it's time to get this. I have the connectors pre-done at Crutchfield, so I'm going to plug them in and then sync them into those, and I'll get back when I do that. Connected it, you just want to bolt the head unit back into the mounting points that we uninstalled it from with a 10mm. And another thing, don't forget to put the microphone somewhere. I kind of stuck it down in there. I don't know if you can see it, if it focuses, but it's like right, eventually, yeah, it's like right there. So that's all you need to do to install it. It's a fast head unit. It turns on really quick and responds really quick too. Where's Apple CarPlay? Hold up, need to plug my phone in. Where are you, cable? Oh shit. Yeah, I also routed the cable so that the USB comes out over here, and then you can just plug any like lightning or micro USB cable into it, and then you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with that. Okay, so here's what it would show. Jesus! Okay, so the music starts playing immediately, and it shows up with this right there. It just says CarPlay. Wow, it doesn't say anything. But yeah, all of your stuff is through here. You can have Google Maps and Waze on it too now, with Apple CarPlay. I might do a video on Apple CarPlay and like a review of the head unit if you guys want me to, or if I remember to do it. You can go into music and control everything. Also has a, you can set up a rear camera. It says no video signal because I do not have one, but I might do a video on that too because I feel like that'd be pretty cool. And it like goes in as soon as you put the car in reverse, which is nice. Yeah, but that's how you install it. The brackets come out like not that bad. I don't know if you can tell. Hold up. Yeah, but there is like that little bracket right there, and on that side too. That just make it look like it's kind of flush. It does come out a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it comes out quite a bit. But you're not gonna notice it because you're driving like this and then you just look over and you're like, oh, cool. And I don't know why the fuck it's doing like, hey, look, you can do Apple CarPlay. Like, yeah, no shit, I know, thanks. You can also do podcasts if you like podcasts, you know? There you go.